Today, what we're going to do is do a healthy snack. So we're going to start off with these sweet potato fritters. We've got 2 sweet potatoes. So I have these, they're already shredded and peeled and washed. To that, I'm going to add some chopped green onions. So I'm just going to dump these. And then we have 2 eggs, 2 large eggs. So I'm going to take the egg, just going to crack that right in to our mix. So I always have a no sodium seasoning mix. Say a teaspoon of each. We're using the roasted garlic infused olive oil. Actually making sure the olive oil comes out. So there you go. So that's a little olive oil in there. That was probably about 3 tablespoons. And it may seem like a lot, but there's gonna be probably maybe 6 fritters that come out of this. So you're really probably using a half of a tablespoon per fritter, and that's perfectly fine. And then we're just gonna mix this up. I'm gonna spray with non-stick spray the pan with Pam. I think I'm gonna do about 5 or 6 of these. I think I'm gonna do 5. So we always say it's good for the work week. So now I have these fritters here. As you can see, I'm gonna put these right into the air fryer. And now you can see what these beautiful fritters look like. These look so good. If you pull these out, people are gonna want some of these, and you're gonna have to tell them that you made them yourself and that they're healthy. So once they cool off, look at that. That was almost 20 minutes exactly. Once they cool off, you can just put these in a container, and every day you can just grab one out for a snack when you want something. And this looks really healthy and delicious. And again, you know, with this show, I'm just trying to show you how to heal through healthy eating, and even make healthy choices when somewhat unhealthy choices are around you. So instead of reaching for a Snickers or a candy bar, you can grab this, and you know that it has no salt in it, and it has controlled carbs in it, and it has some vegetables in it.